This is my rooftop tent. I parked my car next to the amazing Hombruch Skatepark and I would stay there for 2 days. If you're an inline skater, isn't that just the most wonderful camping spot you can imagine? Oh, you rolling raptors! I think this is my favorite skate park. It's got 3 bowls, a street section and even a pump track.
Too many. Yeah.
Hi. I was here with my friends Ulf and Jessica. Yep, I smashed my camera's lens cover, but never mind. Oh. I had so much fun, I didn't care about that. When you're skating a skate park, always wear your protection at all times. Never skate without protection. This was my first skatepark visit with my new rooftop tent, but next year I'm gonna do this so often. From now on it's worth it to visit all skateparks within 400 miles from my hometown Ghent. Just park my car, put up the tent, skate, sleep, skate and I'm off again. What more do you need? Let me know in the comments which skatepark I should definitely pay a visit to. In my next video you'll see me shredding the streets of Dortmund. This city has so much to offer. Thanks for watching.